Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix NVIDIA driver download failed in Windows. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Our first step is to update NVIDIA graphics. For that you need to enter into your NVIDIA application. Over there you need to click driver, and at the right corner you may see download, and you can also refresh it and download the updated version and update it. So the step 2 is delete the NVIDIA cache. So for that you need to press Windows R and then type percentage program data percentage slash NVIDIA corporation. Once you hit enter, it will redirect to the file explorer. Over there you need to delete the following files and folders. So the third step is to allow GeForce experience through Windows Firewall. For that you need to enter into your Windows security and then firewall, and then allow an app through firewall. So over there please click change settings, and please enable the private and public mode. The fourth step is to restart NVIDIA. For that you need to enter into the services as run as administrator mode. Please enter into the properties of NVIDIA display container and make it as automatic, and check the status. The status is in running condition, so click apply and then click OK. So the following you need to do it same for NVIDIA local system also. It's running, so click apply and then click OK. If it's not running, in the sense you need to start the program. So the fifth step is to install Windows Update. So for that you need to enter into your settings and then Windows Update. Please click check for an update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So the sixth step is to reinstall the NVIDIA driver. For that you need to enter into your control panel. Over there please enter into the programs to uninstall the NVIDIA. Once you uninstall, please refresh the device manager to reinstall, or then please update the Windows Update, or else you can update using the Microsoft Store. So the step 7 is to restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.